The Maps Compose library provides composable function that you can use with Jetpack Compose to build your app. First add Map Compose library in your module level build.gradle file. After that you can click on sync now. Create Firebase project Map Jetpack demo. Add Firebase to your Android app by register your Android package name. Download google-service.json and put it on your project app folder. Open console.cloudgoogle.com and select your Firebase project and get your Android app key for your Google Map configuration. In this section, we will store the map key in local.properties and plugins in build.gradle file so that it can be securely referenced by our app. We will refer developers Google Maps documentation for configuring our Gradle file. In that example, we will put marker on Singapore city and map will be occupied the maximum allowed space, and we will put the camera position in the center of the Singapore. Let's create the lat long of Singapore city. Create a camera position state and it will be provided in the camera position state to set the camera position in Google Map composable function. Set the position of Singapore. In the camera position state, and we will put this camera position state in the Google Map composable function because there is a property of camera position state. Call the marker composable in the content of the map to add a marker to the Google Map. We will use the marker composable. There is a property of state. In this state we will set the marker state. In the marker state there is another property which is the position. In this position we will set the latitude longitude of this Singapore. There is another property title and strip, and this title strip will be shown when I click on this marker icon. Let's do some another action. Pin zoom the map. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.